Welcome to Linux Help, how to define and call functions on Bash script in Oracle Linux 9.4. One of the essential features of Bash scripting is the capability to define and call functions, which facilitates code reusability, and enhances the modularity and efficiency of your scripts. In this tutorial, we will examine the process of defining and calling functions in Bash scripts on Oracle Linux 9.4. We will address the fundamental aspects of function definition, including syntax, parameters, and return values. Furthermore, we will illustrate how to invoke functions within your Bash script and utilize them to streamline complex tasks, thereby increasing the reusability of your scripts. Check the OS version. Create the file. Define a function called hello. Define another function called goodbye. Call the hello function. Change the permissions. Run the script. Again, open the file to make edit. Call the goodbye function after hello function. Now run the script. Again, open the file to make some edit. Call the hello function again. Run the script. It's working. Now create another one file. Create the function greet. Here we mentioned, the first argument after function is need to print it. Change the permissions. Run the script. Hello John. It's working fine. Create another one script. Enter the function to calculate the square of a number. Check if a number is provided as an argument. Calculate the square. Output the result. Change the permissions. Run the script. It shows the usage of the script. Because we didn't enter the argument. Now enter the argument. It shows the square root of given number. These are some examples of function call in shell script. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.